Want to explode your TikTok shop sales? This is Kalodata, the ultimate ad spy tool. Stop guessing and start winning right now. Let's uncover the data. Let's dive in.
In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find viral TikTok shop videos on Kalodata. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to sort the data, and which filters to use to uncover videos that don't just go viral, but actually drive sales. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. Look for the official site in the results and click the correct link so you're on the proper dashboard. If you use it often, it's a good idea to bookmark the login page for quick access. Go ahead and log into your account so you can see the full analytics suite. Once you're in, head to the video section. You can also use the dashboard search to find Video Rank. This area highlights high-performing videos that are specifically tied to TikTok shop products, which is crucial because it filters out general content and focuses on commerce-driven posts. Here's where the numbers matter. Sort the videos by key metrics, like revenue, items sold, or views. Views show reach, but revenue and items sold show what's actually converting. If your goal is to find proven sales drivers, prioritize revenue first, then check items sold to confirm demand. Views can help you spot format or hook styles that pull attention, but always tie it back to monetization. Next, switch to the Product tab and search for a specific item or niche you care about, such as beauty tools, pet accessories, or kitchen gadgets. When you find a promising product, click into it to open the detail page. You'll see top creators and the associated videos that generated the most revenue for that product. This is where you can reverse engineer what's working. Study the creator's hook, the length of the video, how the product is demonstrated, and the call to action that likely led to purchases. To really dial in viral, high-converting content, refine your results with filters. Narrow by time range. To focus on the last 7 or 30 days so you're catching current trends rather than stale hits. Short windows help you spot momentum. Slightly longer windows reveal stable performers. Finally, set performance metrics to surface winners. Add a minimum revenue threshold, for example, more than $1,000, or filter by revenue growth rate to find videos that are accelerating. Combining these filters helps you prioritize clips with strong conversion potential, not just vanity metrics. That's it. Use the Video Rank view to spot leaders, verify with product-level details, and lock in your filters to find repeatable winners in your niche. And it's designed to help you quickly spot items with real sales momentum. Think of it as your data-driven storefront window. Everything you need to make smart choices is right here, as long as you set up the view correctly. Once you're on the product page, the key is to apply filters that surface recent, real momentum rather than old winners that may be fading. Start by setting the time window to the last 7 days. This narrows your results to what's trending right now, so you're not chasing products that were hot months ago but are cooling off today. Next, set the revenue trend to growing. This focuses your search on items whose sales are actively increasing, which is exactly what you want if you're aiming to ride an upward wave rather than guess where demand might go. Finally, set the unit price range to roughly $10 to $80. This bracket often strikes a sweet spot. Low enough to encourage impulse purchases, but high enough to leave room for a workable margin after marketing and fulfillment costs. If your niche is more premium or budget-focused, you can nudge that range, but use this as a strong starting point. After you've dialed in those filters, run the search. Kalodata will generate a list of products, typically sorted by historical sales revenue or recent performance, giving you an immediate snapshot of what's moving. Take a moment to scan the results thoughtfully. You're looking for items that fit your price range and show a consistent upward revenue curve rather than a single-day spike. Pay attention to the relationship between price and revenue. A product in the middle of your range with steady growth can be a safer bet than a high-priced outlier with volatile sales. As you review, keep the context in mind. Recent performance indicates interest. but you want signals that the trend is sustainable. If you see multiple products in a similar category showing growth, that may point to a broader theme worth exploring. On the flip side, if a product sits at the extreme low end of the price range, remember that fees and ads can quickly erode margin. That's the core workflow. Log in, go to the Product tab, apply a last 7 days window with a growing revenue trend and a $10 to $80 price range, then run the filter and evaluate the list for steady, upward performers. Use these settings to make confident, data-backed product decisions.